Hello, I'm Ranjan Banerjee. I'm BTech from IIT Bombay, class of 2008, and currently working with the biggest retailer of the world, Walmart. So, first of all, Azad Bhaiya, मैं आपको congratulations कहना चाहूँगा on such a noble initiative, CBAT Chemistry by Azad Thakur, helping students with one of the most important preparations of their life, IIT JEE. I remember my IIT JEE preparation days, and IIT JEE preparation is full of confusion, anxiety, fear, or relatives फ्रेंड्स इतना प्रेशर होता है आप पर एंड आई थिंक द सिचुएशन इज सेम इवन टुडे. सो मैं क्लास 12 में था जब मैंने सोचा कि मैं IIT JEE के लिए बहुत सीरियसली प्रिपेयर करना चाहता हूँ और मुझे पता नहीं था कि मुझे करना क्या है. बैक देन आई वाज स्टडिंग इन अ स्कूल इन दरभंगा. दरभंगा इज अ स्मॉल ब्यूटीफुल टाउन इन बिहार and I went to my parents and I told them that this is my plan, and my parents have always been supportive of my plans and I'm extremely grateful to them for that. But मेरे फैमिली में कोई इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज मुझसे पहले गया नहीं था और किसी ने IIT JEE की प्रिपरेशन की नहीं थी, तो हमें पता नहीं था कि क्या करना चाहिए. सो माई पेरेंट्स स्पोक विद देयर फ्रेंड्स टू नो वट कैन बी डन एंड वी गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ सजेशंस दैट रंजन शुड मूव टू अ डिफरेंट लोकेशन लाइक पटना और कोटा और दिल्ली वेयर ही कैन गेट एक्सेस टू बेटर टीचर्स. बैक देन IIT JEE प्रिपरेशन के लिए ऑनलाइन क्लासेस और जूम क्लासेस का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था, ना मेरे पास पर्सनल कंप्यूटर था. आज with the help of technology, anyone can learn anything from anywhere. But 2004 when I was preparing for IIT JEE option मेरे पास available था नहीं. So I did not have a choice but to move to a different place, and we did not know anyone, like we did not have any friends or family at Patna or Delhi or Kota. तो मेरे parents थोड़े से worried थे कि कैसे भेजना है and all. So that time I remembered that Azad Bhaiya may be there. Now a bit about Azad Bhaiya. So I think the first time I learned from Azad Bhaiya was when I was in Muzaffarpur, and he was my first teacher outside school. I learned chemistry and maths from him, and I think I was his first student also. So I called one of my friends in Muzaffarpur to get Azad Bhaiya's numbers, and without even thinking twice मैंने Azad Bhaiya को फ़ोन लगाया और मैंने बोला कि Azad Bhaiya मुझे IIT JEE के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है, आप प्लीज़ गाइड करो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. तो आज़ाद भैया ने मुझे बोला कि ही हैज़ ओपनड हिज ओन इंस्टीट्यूट, IIT JEE इंस्टीट्यूट इन दिल्ली, एंड आई वाज जस्ट सो हैप्पी. And right from that phone call, he has just helped me throughout my IIT JEE preparation till I went to IIT Bombay. So he just told me कि रंजन तुम बस ट्रेन का टिकट लो, अपने बुक्स पैक करो और दिल्ली आ जाओ. And that's what I exactly did. I packed my pile of books, I took a train and I went to Delhi. And I did not know anyone in Delhi, so I even stayed at Azad Bhaiya's place when I reached there. I think he was staying somewhere near east of Kailash back then. So he helped me find a place, find a small room which I can rent out and study. And I remember that Azad Bhaiya has not just been a great chemistry teacher, but he has also been a great mentor throughout. So his command and his confidence on the subject, I think, motivates any student and gives confidence to any student on the chemistry language. He made chemistry really interesting for me, and I think all the students of my class felt the same. And not just chemistry, as I was saying, he was also a great mentor. जब आप IIT JEE के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हो, इट्स नॉट जस्ट प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड मैथ, इट्स ऑल्सो मेंटल प्रिपरेशन. आपको मेंटली बहुत स्ट्रांग रहना पड़ता है कि आप एग्जाम के उन कुछ फिक्स्ड आवर्स में अपना बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दे पाओ. एंड आई थिंक आज़ाद भैया हैज़ ऑलवेज हेल्प मी थ्रू दैट ऑल्सो. सो when I could not clear the IIT JEE exam along with my 12th, fresher year में मैं clear नहीं कर पाया, and I was really confused. Should I drop? Should I not? That year I did not have great options of colleges available with me, but somehow Azad Bhaiya has had confidence in me. He motivated me that I should drop, and he saw potential in me, and I decided to drop for a year to prepare for IIT JEE, and cannot be more grateful for that. So even during that drop year, he guided me throughout. He helped me remain positive, remain motivated for the IIT JEE preparation, and finally I went to IIT Bombay. So to end, I would say all the students preparing for IIT JEE, all the best, and to Azad Bhaiya, all the best with your new initiatives. And finally, as Azad sir always says, तुम अपना 200% दो, कुछ अच्छा ही होगा.